Jeff, this stock, full stop, over the last 12 months has had a massive run. How do you explain the recent weakness?
Yeah, well, some of the weakness is obviously associated with some of the trade headlines. It's a very large exporter, but we do think that it's important as investors to look at the long-term fundamentals. We have 7 years of backlog for production. They're a significant beneficiary of tax reform, and they continue just to improve operational productivity. So we still believe they have a good, solid foundation.
Jeff, it has a multiple that's trading, I'd say, materially above its 5-year average. What explains that multiple, and why should it be above the 5-year average if it's going to become a proxy for this political risk in Washington, D.C.?
Yeah, I would say broadly speaking, industrials are trading above the long-term averages. We've been seeing good global economic growth. We've been seeing good opportunities as orders improve. Tax reform has been a good, solid beneficiary for industrials. So I think, again, we can see in Boeing's case a premium is warranted based on their ability to continue to generate earnings and cash flow.
Jeff, the president says he wants a good price for its fighter jets, otherwise we're going to buy them from somebody else. Jeff, we've heard this kind of stuff so many times through this administration. Do you have to pay much attention to those kind of things?
Well, I think it's always important to heed kind of what the president's saying. I think obviously Boeing has a good fighter. They've been put into the president's budget with the Super Hornets. So I think, they'll come to some agreement, and I think they'll be able to move forward with that. So again, it's always important to watch, and I think there'll probably be some agreement that they can get to.
Jeff, bottom line for you, what's more important, the defense side of the business or building out that services side of the business?
I think the build-out of the services is kind of very important for their longer-term picture. The defense is always a good, solid, stable business, but the services business has higher margins and is really going to help improve their profitability moving forward.